Happy Sunday, everyone. So I had said I'm gonna start vlogging, but today's Sunday, so basically my plans today are, let me get a chair up. Plans today are, it's Sunday, so it is church. I reside at Jubilee Church online, so that's gonna be really, really fun. But I've also got someone coming because I have to do rewire the whole house. So somebody's coming around today. That should be interesting to give me a cost. I really want to start works in this house within the next 2 weeks. It's also, I'm one of those annoying people that really draw out their birthday. It's also birthday week. I want to try and find a cute birthday outfit. What other things am I doing today? I have a job interview. If I don't get it, I'm going to cut this bit out, but if I do, it means I got it. So I've got that tomorrow, so I've got to prep for that, and I've got a client meeting for some stuff I do outside of work as well. So I'm gonna include, just got a busy day and cleaning up and stuff. It's really weird cleaning up a kitchen in a house where you're planning on tearing it up in the next 2 weeks. It's really strange. So yeah, it's my week, but yeah, my face is really close like this. Should be an interesting day. But yeah, so this week I'm gonna try and vlog some of the activities I got planned. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue cleaning because the guy, he should be coming now, so he's a bit late, and I feel it's gonna kind of clash with my chat sessions too. It'll be fun. I'll rewatch it if I need to. So I just wanted to quickly come on here to say that my electrician just came, and I think he's the bee's knees. So I'm really excited that I'm going to be able to start working on this house. The electrics have to be done first, and we have to rip out like the floorboards. Oh, God help me, because things be expensive. Let me know if you want me to drop down all the costs for everything, because I'm not really passing myself as a place where, oh, I'm going to tell you everything, how everything costs. I'm more just wanting to share the journey and share any inspo pics, or just kind of share the transformation. But I'm learning on the job around how things be costing. The previous guys in this house, as you can see, we have a bathtub in the kitchen, so let alone a bathroom in the kitchen. Imagine how many other areas need some help, like the electrics in his house. So I have to rewire a 3-story house before I can get my kitchen installed. My budget is very interesting right now. So let's see how it all goes. But yeah, no, I had a really, really good meeting with Ricardo, who I will show when he comes back to start doing the work. We're gonna start looking at lighting fixtures and stuff that I want. But the girl's excited, gonna start doing some work. Hi beautiful people. So what I'm doing also today on this beautiful Sunday is working on the manuscript for my upcoming poetry collection, Whisper Words I Speak Privately. That book is out. Going to be out on May the 18th. I'm really excited about it. So I'm working on the manuscript, and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process, because I've been working with a publishing company called Wordjar, and we're just going through the pagination right now. So just kind of give you like a little sneak peek. But look, a girl has a book. Some of the pages. Well. But the final copy isn't gonna look like that, but I just need to go put in all my changes, because I've put changes in now. It's kind of done. It's gonna be printed. It's gonna be out for the public. So bruh, wow. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so really quick one. I'm just coming here to say that I'm in Ren Kitchens today because I'm going to finalise my kitchen design, which I'm super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, Home with Mina, I kind of shared lots of different options, and today's the day I'm actually deciding which one I want. So and hopefully going to start doing some work on it next month. So I thought I'd just quickly come in here and just show you Ren Kitchens because I do love their kitchens.
Compliments, compliments, no more. I don't need compliments, compliments. Yeah.
Say hi, Lily. Lily is helping me design my kitchen right now, and we're just in the process of adding some open shelf units on that side.
I don't need your compliments, I don't need your compliments, I don't need your compliments.
Where?
Too many.
Nice. I like that there. Yeah, I like that there. What dishwasher are we going with? What do you guys supply? Do you guys supply dishwashers? Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, lovely.
Go, invest in me now, let me go. Put myself first so I can grow. I need a car to drive on the road, and in me a house to get off the road. My rent is due, bitch, I can't pay with no clothes. Compliments, compliments.
I'm excited because today officially work is starting in my house. So exciting, work is starting.
No more compliments, compliments. I don't need your 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 compliments. And I hate the government. They ain't really governing. They just undercovering. They eating and we struggling. They eating and we struggling. Compliments, compliments, no more.
Okay, so I'm so excited because we are taking out the bathtub that's in the kitchen. Who got a bath? Anyway, I'm too excited. I wish I could help. I wish I could help.
You can take out the screw if you want.
Yeah, can I? But I've got rubber shoes on.
Yeah, that's press here.
This we go.
Press. Look down, yeah.
It's the anywhere.
We don't know anyway.